What happens when one of the most capable adventure bikes on the planet becomes rarer than a hypercar? BMW just dropped a motorcycle so exclusive, only 10 people in the world will ever own one. Welcome back to Kallamotto. Today, we are looking at an absolute unicorn in the two-wheeled world. This isn't just a standard R1300 GS adventure. This is the 10 Years Plant Manaus Special Edition. BMW Motorrad Brazil built exactly 10 of these, one for every year their Manaus factory has been operating. And the craziest part, this specific model marks the 150,000th motorcycle to roll off that assembly line. Let's get into the details. But before we get into the special edition, let's remind ourselves why the R1300 GS Adventure is an absolute monster to begin with. It carries the entirely new 1,300 cubic centimeters legendary boxer engine, pumping out 145 horsepower and a massive 149 newton meters of torque. Compared to the standard GS, this adventure version is designed as a true globetrotter, featuring a massive 30-liter aluminum fuel tank, ready to cross continents without range anxiety. The suspension uses the Electronic Dynamic Suspension Adjustment, or DSA, which adapts automatically, plus advanced radar-based safety features like active cruise control. Now, specifically for these 10 Manaus Edition units, BMW completely overhauled the visual identity. We're getting a custom colorway and graphics you won't find in any standard catalog. The tank, the valve covers, and even the top case are specially designed to celebrate the achievements of this Brazilian factory. But the ultimate bragging right is right here, the commemorative plaque numbered from 01 per 10 to 10 per 10. If you pull up to a bike meet on this, I guarantee nobody is going to have the exact same machine. And it's not just about cosmetics. This bike is equipped with BMW's latest tech, the Automated Shift Assistant, or ASA. Take a look at the left handlebar. Notice anything missing? Yeah, there's no clutch lever. This system fully automates the clutch. You can let the bike shift gears completely on its own like an automatic transmission, or you can shift it manually using the foot pedal for that traditional riding feel, just without tiring out your left hand when tackling off-road trails all day long. It's a perfect blend of BMW's history in Brazil, the sheer capability of the new boxer engine, and future tech. With only 10 units produced, securing one feels nearly impossible. But what do you guys think? Is this the ultimate collector's GS? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Kallamotto for more deep dives into the rarest and most exciting motorcycles out there. Catch you in the next one.